Hey, it's Uncle Mad. This is the Griddle channel now, apparently. So, start out the story. Last night, I went to a garden party. It was very fancy, far too fancy of an event for me. There was an open bar at this event. Now, you know, I'm not a drinker, so I did not partake in any drinks, but it occurred to me that if somebody who was a drinker had gone to this party with this open bar, they probably would have drank too much. Woke up today not feeling so great, having a hangover, thinking like, maybe I need a little something to get my day going, to fix my mood. So today, hangover cure, we're doing a French toast breakfast sandwich. Real simple, real easy, get it going, cooked up quickly so we can eat, recover. Not me, but someone who might be hungover could eat and recover really quickly. So we got our batter, real simple, since the French toast isn't like the main ingredient. I didn't do any kind of fancy batter. It's just eggs, milk, sugar, salt, dash of cinnamon. So just got our bread, let it sit out to get a little bit of staleness on it there, soak it in ye old batter. Oh, I should have brought out a towel because now my hands are going to be gross. Okay, all right. Throw that right on the griddle. Oh, actually, hold on. That was almost bad news. We got to put a little butter on the grill. That would have been terrible if I just threw the bread right on there and it had a very bready, sticky grill. So let's melt down some butter. Oh, do not run away right there. I need you right there. Perfect. Okay, try this again. Here we go. That bread is drenched now. I've seen a couple recipes that say you can use your leftover egg batter to make the scrambled eggs for your sandwich, but I don't want scrambled eggs. It's hungover breakfast. For those of you that get hangovers, I don't. We gotta go fried eggs for a hangover cure. Once again, I'm not hungover. So we're gonna go eggs, bacon, cheese. Simple, easy. I already cooked the bacon on the griddle so that it's set and ready to go and able to just throw onto the sandwich when we're ready for it. So if you were curious about that. So let's get our eggs. Oh boy. Just gonna pull a little bit of the bacon grease over for those fried eggs so we have left over. That'll be good and frizzled up here. That'll be nice. I got one slice of Munster cheese that was left over from our I've created a Munster Bob's Burgers burger video, so that's gonna go right on there. If you didn't watch that vlog, go back and watch it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's throw the bacon. Here is the bacon. The singing's free, folks. That is a lot of bacon. But we need it. Or you will need it. I don't need it. You might need it on a day like today. There you have it. Sandwich complete. Alright, let's slice into this sucker and see how we did. We see that egg pop out. That's exactly what I wanted. Yes. Alright. Ooh, very nice. A few finishing touches. Powdered sugar. Got air fry breakfast potatoes because we got to. And a side of syrup for the dippins. All right, hard part is done. Now it's time to indulge in the fruits of our labors so that we can cure the hangover that you who are watching this video have. I do not. My research shows it's about a 12-hour process for the hangover cure sandwich to take its full effect, but here we go. Bone apple teas. Look at that syrup drip. Mmm. Woo! That's good. And by we I mean you, are going to be feeling a lot better in about 12 hours. Good job. Holy cow. Dry side potatoes, they're always good though, so not going to be a surprise here. Bone apple teas. Man. Air fryer, griddle, game changers in the Uncle Mad kitchen these days. Stay tuned for more. Let me know in the comments what else should I cook on the griddle. What's next? Who's next, as Goldberg once said. Subscribe so you can see what we actually do next. I said doo-doo. We're going to end on that note. Doo-doo's a good way to end the vlog.